Hey everyone, it's Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. Today we're going to show you how to put an Evolution Enclosure on the Classic or Forester 4-passenger golf carts. So here we go. Alright, so in the box, which this is the box right here that comes from us when we ship it to you, it will come with rails. A lot of the newer carts, 2024s and up, are probably going to have the rails already installed on the roof, so you'll get to skip this step. And then you're going to come get your front two sides and then the rear piece, and then the window seal will be in there with it as well. I'm going to show you how to put these rails on. So right here, this is a newer model, so it already does have the rails installed, but in that package you get these rails and then the screws right there. Just make sure the rail slot goes on the outside, and then you just screw these in. There's already holes right there for it. So you got one for each side, one for the front, and then one for the rear. Alright, this is going to be your passenger side piece right here, panel. So we are just going to start by feeding this up. Just keep pulling it in. Alright, and that's one side right there. Alright, ready? Mm-hmm. Alright, here we got your driver's side panel, so we're going to slide this side in just like we did the passenger side. Like I said, this little piece just slides right in this tube. Alright, got that one in. Okay. Alright, we got your rear panel. We're going to slide this in the back. Alright, then these are going to be for the front windshield, so they will go around each side right here. Alright, so we're going to put these pieces on the windshield here. This should line up with the rubber piece and the mirror. It may be a little bit off on your mirror depending on where they put it at the factory. This bottom piece down here is going to have to push out so we can get this wrapped around. Okay. That's going to go through just like that. Okay. And we're gonna strap it. Okay, and then we're just gonna push this back over the top. Just like that. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna put the one on this side. This one actually has two zippers and a little slot for the mirror, so we're gonna pull it down on the mirror. And we gotta, again, push this off. Okay, so we are going to zip this inside zipper. Okay. And So we're gonna just push this back down over the top. Okay. Okay, zip that up right there. And you're gonna have hooks that pull out right here. So pull that hook out right there. This hook's around the bottom. And another hook right here. Okay, got another hook. And two more on the back. Alright, and then the last piece we're going to put on is your window seal kit for the front. And then this sticks right here. All right, we got her all strapped up.